Hi everyone, we need to get serious, especially right now. Kung paano mo i-design yung future na gusto mo. The way you wanted to plan your life. What kind of design you wanted to be. There is a two thing that we have to focus to be serious. One is how to plan your life to achieve the goals that you want because that is your future. Second is personality development. You design what kind of life you want and who you will become in the next 10 to 5 years. What kind of person you want to be. I'm sure in the next 5 to 10 years you will rise up. The question is where? Where do you want to rise up yourself? That's the big question. So we have to be serious right now. Get serious right now because that is your future. That is your life. The life of the family that you want to be in the future. The life that you want to be in the future. You are the one. You created it. You have to plan it for you to have the path, directions, where to go, and what kind of persons you want to be. Napaka-importante nun kasi hindi pwedeng suntok sa buwan, bahala na si Lord. Hindi po talaga pwede. Dapat makikita mo, the vision mo, para alam mo kung paano ka gagalaw. Para alam mo kung anong decision na gagawin mo. Napaka-importante na we have that kind of visions sa pagplano. Kung anong gusto mo, mahalaga nga, isulat mo eh. At napaka-importante na sinusulat natin kung ano yung mga gusto natin mangyari sa buhay natin. Kasi yun yung magiging guide mo, yung magiging path mo. Maraming pagdadaanan sa buhay, but importante, you have to stick to the path, going to the right directions that you want to be, that you want to have in your life. And of course, andun yung doingness, beingness, and havingness to get the goal, the dream, the plan, to create the plan that you want. Napaka-importante pala nun, no? Dati kasi parang kung hindi ka seryoso sa buhay mo, hindi rin seryoso yung magiging future mo. So, hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta. Napakahirap na lalakaran mo yung isang daan na wala kang tamang direction. Kasi lahat ng bagay magiging confusion sa'yo. Pero if you have the goal, if you have the plan, focus ka lang, straight lang, alam mo yung dadaan mo, dire-diretso ka. At mas hindi masasayang yung time mo. Kasi you know how to target, where to target, and you wanted to be. So, hope this simple motivational talk, you learned something. Thank you everyone, and bye.